After the completion of the topic, the next equation and some numerical based on that topic, we are on the next topic now, that is conductance of electrolytic solution. So we know the term conductance in earlier classes also. So conductance is denoted by the letter G and it is reciprocal to the resistance. As resistance increases, the conductance of a conductors decreases. Okay. Now the resistance R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is resistivity, L is length and A is area of cross section. Now according to this formula, the unit of conductance will be, it is 1 upon R and unit of resistance is ohm, so it will be ohm inverse, or we can also say it mu, or it is also known as Simon and denoted by S. Now what we will do, we will just replace the value of R by this value. So G will equal to 1 upon rho L upon A. Now we are taking 1 upon rho like this. So 1 upon rho into 1 upon L upon A. Okay, we will mark it equation 1. Now we know that 1 upon rho is called conductivity or a specific conductance, and it is also known as kappa and denoted by K, right? Now the cell constant is represented by the letter X, or in some books it is also represented by the G star. Now X or G star is equal to L upon A, right? And its unit will become by the formula centimeter inverse or meter inverse. If length is given in centimeter, so it will become centimeter inverse, or it will become given in a meter, so it will become meter inverse. Okay. Now because we know 1 upon rho is equal to K, so in place of 1 upon rho we will write K here, and because the value of X is equal to L by A, so we will write 1 upon X here. Okay, or in place of 1 upon X we can also write it 1 upon G star, because X is also known as G star. Okay, cell constant is also represented as G star. So it becomes G equal to K into 1 by G star. Okay. Now we can also write it like K equals to G into G star, conductance into cell constant. So what is K? K will equal to, or kappa will equal to conductance into cell constant. Okay. Now the unit of kappa will be what? It will be Simon per centimeter or Simon per meter. Okay. Now we know that kappa is equal to G into G star, and if we will write value of G star, that is L upon A, in place of this, so it will become K equals to G into L upon A. Okay. Now let we suppose the length is equal to 1 centimeter, area is equal to 1 centimeter square, and volume is, we know it is the product of length and area of cross section, so its unit will become 1 centimeter cube, and 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 cc, and 1 cc is equal to 1 ml. So now according to this, what the definition can be? It can be the conductance of 1 ml of electrolytic solution. The conductance of 1 ml of electrolytic solution is called the specific conductance or conductivity. Okay. Or what we can say in one line, it is conductance of 1 ml of solution or electrolytic solution is known as kappa. Okay. So what we did here we just learn the conductance of electrolytic solution, for which derive a formula, and this formula we will use in further topics also, so please do it carefully. So what we did in it, that we know the conductance is denoted by G, which is reciprocal to the resistance, and resistance is, we know, is equal to rho L upon A, and its unit is ohm, and the unit of conductance is ohm inverse. Now when we replace the values by these values, then we get G equal to 1 upon rho L upon A, and we separate out 1 upon rho here, 1 upon rho here, because we will write in place of 1 upon rho kappa here, that is why, and we will write in place of L upon A, that is value of cell constant, that is X or G star. Okay, so what we did here, we did the same here. So G equal to K into 1 upon X, or G into K 1 upon G star, and when we take K outside, then we will multiply these both values, so K equal to G into G star, right? So according to the formula, we can calculate the units of all these formulas. Now what is kappa? If we take length as 1 centimeter between the electrodes, area as 1 centimeter square of the electrode, and volume will be then the product of length and area of cross section, and its unit will become centimeter cube, which is equal to 1 cc, and 1 cc is equal to 1 ml. So what the definition will become according to this data? The definition will become the conductance of 1 ml of electrolytic solution is called the specific conductance or a conductivity, or in one line we can say that conductance of 1 ml of solution will equal to the kappa. Okay, I hope you understand the topic. Thank you.